So for you to be able to create this free virtual card, you first of all have to use the link in my video description to be able to sign up for the app or sign up for an account. And then when you are done with the sign up and then with verification everything, you will be gifted free 7 Ghana cedis. And the early 36 people that will sign up using my link or my code, they will all receive 250 Ghana cedis for free into our wallet. So make sure to use the link or the invitation code inside the video description to be able to get this free Ghana cedis right now. So let's continue, but before you do that, make sure to watch the video fully before you go ahead and then do anything, because a little mistake can get your card blocked and then you can't recover it back. So for you to be able to create a card, you need a maintenance fee of a one-time maintenance fee of $3, which is almost like 17 cedis as at the time of recording this video. And you can see over here in my USD wallet, I've deposit $6 and then 3 cents. So for you to do this deposit, it is very easy. You just switch the currency from here to Ghana cedis and then fund the account with mobile money. So when you are done funding the account with mobile money, then you exchange it from Ghana cedis to USD over here. So when you are done with the exchange, then you go to the card section over here and then click on create new card. And you can see over here the creation fee is free, as clearly stated in the video title and then the thumbnail. And then there's a $1 minimum card funding amount, which means after you create the account, they use $1 to fund the card for it not to get blocked. And then there's a maintenance fee of $1 which you'll be paying monthly. And then if you don't want to pay that, you can pay $3 as a one-time payment and there will not be any monthly charges. And there's an transaction fee for this thing, international transfer, which is 5 cents. And then there are card penalties over here which you need to read and then follow to avoid getting your card deleted or getting a penalty fee or getting your card blocked. So when you are done reading all those things and you are good with it, then you click on the accept and continue. And under the next page over here, you select $3 one-time payment. I would advise you to select that one, and then you choose your card color over here and then click on continue. So this is where we are going to fund our card. So I'm going to be funding $5. Okay, so I'll be paying the card fee, which is the 3 USDT. So when you type the 3 USDT, the rest, I think the rest of the amount in your USD account will be used to fund the card. So when you are done typing in the 3, you click on the continue button over here and then you type in your PIN if you set it for the app, which I will not show you for security reasons. So when you are done typing the PIN, you'll be redirected to another page again, which you have to wait for it to load. So now we have created the new virtual card with $3, and that's it, as simple as ABC. So the card has been created successfully and it's a Visa card. And you can see over here the rest of the amount in my USDT wallet was used to fund the card, which is I think $3. Yeah, $3 is used to fund the card. So I'm supposed to show you the card, but for security reasons I can't show you the card because it will be revealing my card number, CC and then CV and all that security codes that will be used to I do purchases online, so I won't be showing you that. But when you follow all these simple steps and then use the link in my video description, you'll be able to create this card as how I do it right now. So see you on my next video. Have a great day. Bye. And also make sure to subscribe. We are on the road of hitting 2,000 subscribers. Help us build a strong community over here. And also like the video if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching, and then see you on my next video. Have a good day. Bye.